Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Kia Stonic. Now of course you do get full automatic headlights. You then coming around the side also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. And of course these are a 17-inch alloy wheel, all of which have been freshly refurbished as part of this vehicle's preparation process. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of design pattern on these alloys. You do of course get rear parking sensors as well. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming out of the round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got electric windows all around, but only the driver's is automatic. Then coming into the front of the car now, as you can see, we've got a 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got your auxiliary port and USB port in the middle just there. Got your manual air conditioning in the middle with your touchscreen display, which comes with your various functions just here. So you've got Bluetooth hands-free, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and radio. You also have your media and auxiliary as well. Then coming out to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, track select, and then your Bluetooth hands-free. On the right hand side, we've got a mixture of your onboard computer controls and your cruise control. We've got automatic headlights as well. And then as you can see, this car has done 53,314 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Stonic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.